Let's discuss the chapter number 4 rational number class 7th part 2, that is operation on the rational numbers. Here we will discuss the two type of operation in this video, that is addition of the rational numbers and subtraction of the rational number and simplification based on them. Okay, let's start with the addition of the rational numbers. First case, rational number with the same denominator. Let's take an example. For example, in this example, here it is 13 upon minus 38 and minus 21 upon 38. In this case, you can see that both the denominator is 38 is here. Yes? Now, we can write this 13 upon minus 38 as minus 13 upon 38. Yes? The value of the minus will shift to the numerator. The above one is the numerator and the below value is known as the denominator, as you all know. Then this is minus 13 upon 38 plus 21 minus 21 upon 38. When you add them, it will having the same denominator, thus the LCM will be the 38 itself. When we divide the 38 by 38, it will be 13 into 1 minus 13 into 1, and when you divide the 38 by 31, it will be minus 21 into 1. When you simplify it, it will be minus 13 minus 21, as positive into negative is always the negatives. Thus, minus 13 minus 21 will be added with the negative sign upon 38, that is minus 34 upon 38. When you would simplify it, whether in the standard form, it will be in the minus 17 upon 19. Now let's discuss the second case, that is when the rational number with the different denominator. Rational number with the different denominator means the denominators, this is denominator here is 14 and here the denominator is 7, that is both the denominator are not same. Let us first simplify this. 14 into 2 plus 3, that is 14 into 2 is 28, 28 plus 3, that is 31 upon 14. We have to add it, that is why we have taken a plus sign over here. Then the negative 3 and negative 7, negative cut out each other, that is why we can write here 3 upon 7. Thus, it is 31 upon 14 plus 3 upon 7. We can take the LCM. Yes, the value of the denominator is different here. Here is the 14 and in this is the 7. So, take the LCM of the denominator, that is 14 and 7. The LCM of the 14 and denominator is 14. That is why the 14 is the denominator. When you divide the 14 by 14, it will be one time, that is 31 into 1 addition plus as it is. When you divide the 14 by 7, that it's divided into 2 times, that is 2 into 3. And when you simplify it, that is 31 into 1 is 31 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 31 plus 6 upon 14, that is 37 upon 14. You can write it in the mixed form like this. Let us take the another example of the addition. Express the rational number as the sum of an integer and a rational number. Here let's take an example, that is minus 27 upon 5. Yes, you have to represent it in the addition of the integer plus the rational number. To do so, we have to first change it in the mixed form. Minus 27 upon 5 can be changed as a mixed form as 5 5s are 25 plus 2, that is 27. That is why complete 5, 2 upon 5. Here minus 5 is the integer and minus 2 by 5 is a rational number. So, the sum of the integer plus rational number will be minus 5 as an integer plus minus 2 upon 5 is a rational number. Thus, we can write the sum as of the number integer and rational number as minus 5 minus 2 by 5. Now let's discuss the subtraction of the rational number. Subtraction of the rational number also includes the two cases as we discussed earlier in the addition. That is when the denominator is same and when the denominator is different. Let us first discuss when the denominator is same. Here you can see that we have a question that subtract the first rational number from the second. Means we have to subtract the first rational number from the second one. Let's take an example. It is minus 5 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. Here the denominators are same. That is why here we can see that first rational number is minus 5 by 11 and second rational number is 8 by 11. In this case, you have to subtract the first rational number from the second one. It means second one will be written the first. That is 8 upon 11 minus 5 by 11. As we have studied earlier, that is negative into negative is always positive. 8 by 11 plus 5 by 11. The LCM both the side is 11. That is why LCM will be 11. 8 plus 5 is 13. That is 13 by 11 is the answer. Okay. Now let's discuss another example in which the denominator is different. Let's take the example. Minus 8 upon 15 and 17 upon 20. Yes, 17 upon minus 20. In this you can see the denominator is different. One denominator is 15, another denominator is minus 20. So first rational number here is minus 8 upon 15. Second rational number here it is 7 upon minus 20. You have to subtract the first rational number from the second mean. It means we have to write the second rational number first, then subtract the first rational number from second one. That is 17 upon minus 20 minus 8 upon 15. That is this negative sign at the minus 20 will be shifted to the numerator. That is minus 17 upon 20. Negative to negative is positive. Positive plus 8 upon 15. Yes, the LCM is, we have to take the LCM of the now 20 and 15 because it is having the different denominators. Yes, when you take the LCM of 20 and 15, it will come out to be 60. Yes, when you divide this 60 by 20, it will be 3 times. That is minus 17 into 3 plus when you divide this 60 by 15, it will be divided as 4 times. That is 8 into 4 minus 51 plus 32 upon 60. When you simplify it, that is minus 51 plus 32 upon 60, it will come out to be minus 19 upon 60. Okay, now let's take another example. Okay, simplification, that is what number should be added to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to get 4. Yes, we have to find a number that should be added to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to get the 4. To do so, let us take the number that is to be added is x. Then according to question, x is added to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to get the 4. Now we have to find the x, the number that should be added. So what we do? We will shift this 1 by 2, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to the right side of the 4. That is, we will change the sign of 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. X is equals to 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. When you take this will become as 4 by x is equals to 4 by 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Here you can see that all the denominators are different. That is why you have to take the LCM of 1, 2, 3 and 5. The LCM of the 1, 2, 3, 5 will be 30 and when you simplify this and making the calculation come out to be 89 by 30, and you further can simplify it. Okay, now let's discuss one more example. In this question, we have to find what number should be subtracted from minus 8 by 15 so as to get minus 5 by 6. It means you have to subtract a number from the minus 8 by 15 to get minus 5 by 6. Let's imagine a number as x. We have to subtract a number from the minus 8 by 15, that is minus 8 by 15 minus x is equals to minus 5 by 6. Minus x, we have to shift this minus 8 by 15 to the right side, that it become minus x is equals to minus 5 by 6. We have to change the sign as minus 8 by 15 to the plus 8 by 15. Minus x is equals to, we have to take the LCM of this. Now 6 and 15. The LCM of the 6 and 15 is come out to be 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. That is minus 5 into 5 plus 30 divided by 15 is 2. That is 8 into 2. And 2 5 5s are 25. That is minus 25 plus 8 2s are 16. When you simplify it, it come out to be minus 9 upon 30. It can be further simplified to the lowest form, that is minus 3 upon 10. Here it is minus x is equals to minus 3 upon 10. Negative sign cancel out each other and x will be 3 upon 10. Let's discuss one more question of the simplification, that is simplify minus 5 by 6 minus 7 upon minus 8 plus 11 upon 12 minus 1 by 6 plus 0 minus 7 upon 16. In this case, we will first simplify, that is minus 5 by 6 as it is, minus cut out each other, that it will be positive, 7 upon 8, then 11 upon 12 as it is, then negative into negative is always positive, that is 12 11 that is 11 1 upon 6 positive, then again 0 we can leave, and that is negative into negative is positive, that is negative cut out is positive, but positive into negative is negative, that is why 7 upon 16. Then you have to take the LCM of 6, 8, 12, 6 and 16. That LCM come out to be 48, and when we further simplify it, it will come out to be 33 upon 48. And it can be further simplified as in the lowest form, and it can be cutted out with the 3, that is 11 upon 16 would be the answer. Thank you.